Crash course on Korean education. An overview of South Korea's highly competitive education system, including its emphasis on STEM fields. South Korea is known for having one of the most competitive education systems in the world, with a heavy emphasis on academic achievement and success. Education is highly valued in Korean society, and it is considered one of the key factors in achieving upward social mobility. One unique aspect of Korean education is its emphasis on STEM fields: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM education is seen as crucial for the country's economic development and technological advancement. In fact, South Korea has the highest number of STEM graduates per capita in the world. Another key feature of Korean education is its rigorous standardized testing system. Students are expected to perform well on a series of tests throughout their academic careers, including the university entrance exam, which can determine the course of their entire future. Despite its successes, the Korean education system has also faced criticism for its intense pressure and high-stress environment, leading to issues such as student suicide rates. Now, let's take a look at the top universities and colleges in South Korea. Seoul National University. This is widely regarded as the most prestigious university in Korea, offering a wide range of undergraduate and graduate programs across a variety of disciplines. Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST. This university is known for its cutting-edge research in science and technology, and has been ranked as the top university in Korea for engineering and technology. Pohang University of Science and Technology, POSTECH. Another top-ranked science and technology university, POSTECH has a strong focus on interdisciplinary research. Korea University. Founded in 1905, Korea University is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in Korea, offering programs in a wide range of fields. Yonsei University. One of the SKY universities, along with Seoul National University and Korea University. Yonsei University is a private research university with a strong international focus. Sunkyunkwan University. This university has a long history dating back to the Joseon dynasty, and is known for its excellence in humanities and social sciences. Hanyang University. Founded in 1939, Hanyang University is one of the leading private universities in Korea, with a focus on engineering and technology. Ewha Women's University. One of the top women's universities in the world, Ewha Women's University has a long history of promoting women's education and empowerment. Sogang University. Known for its excellent liberal arts program, Sogang University is a Jesuit institution with a strong focus on social justice. Kyunghee University. With a focus on global citizenship and innovation, Kyunghee University has been ranked as one of the top universities in Korea for internationalization. Chung'ang University. Founded in 1918, Chung'ang University is one of the oldest universities in Korea, with a strong emphasis on practical education. Korea National University of Arts. This specialized university is dedicated to education and research in the arts, including music, dance, theater, and visual arts. In conclusion, Korean education is highly competitive and valued in Korean society, with a strong emphasis on STEM fields and standardized testing. The top universities and colleges in South Korea are known for their excellence in various fields and their contribution to the country's economic and technological development. And now, as requested, here's a poem and a song about Korean education. Poem. In Korea, education is key. From STEM to liberal arts, the possibilities are endless for students eager to learn. To build a bright future, their minds will churn. With a competitive system that demands the best, students work hard, never getting much rest. From elementary school to university, the pursuit of knowledge is their priority. But with a strong emphasis on technology, Korean education leads to innovation and creativity, pushing boundaries and breaking new ground. Their passion for learning is profound. So let us celebrate their dedication and drive. For education is what keeps them alive. A brighter future awaits, it's plain to see. In Korea, where education is key. Song. Verse 1. From a young age, they're taught to strive. For knowledge and success, they must survive. Korean education, a force to be reckoned with. Their passion and dedication, it never quits. Chorus. Education is key, in Korea they believe. From STEM to the arts, they achieve. Their minds are sharp, their skills honed. Korean education, never alone. Verse 2. Competitive and rigorous, the system demands. But students rise to the occasion, their minds expand. University, a gateway to a brighter future. Korean education, a powerful tutor. Chorus. Education is key, in Korea they believe. From STEM to the arts, they achieve. Their minds are sharp, their skills honed. Korean education, never alone. Bridge. Their pursuit of knowledge leads to innovation. Pushing boundaries, a great sensation. Korean education, a beacon of light. For a better tomorrow, it shines bright. Chorus. Education is key, in Korea they believe. From STEM to the arts, they achieve. Their minds are sharp, their skills honed. Korean education, never alone. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.